Today we're going to discuss on how to evaluate and select a crypto wallet, what they are and how they differ from each other, and help you to understand on how to select possibly the right one for you. As a disclaimer for you to keep in mind, the opinions expressed in this channel are our own and cannot be considered as the official stance of the market. So please don't take any of the information or opinions presented in our videos as recommendations or investment advice. The information we provide might change without notice thanks to the market's rapid changes. So now that we got that out of the way, the crypto wallets are like how you keep your coins, notes and cards in a physical wallet. Bitcoin wallets are a bit different from traditional leather wallets. A Bitcoin wallet is your ticket to the blockchain and your own Bitcoin assets. Each Bitcoin wallet has its own unique address, which you can use to send and receive your Bitcoin. Bitcoin wallets are only used for storing and making transactions with Bitcoin. You can create as many wallets as you want. A Bitcoin wallet stores secret information, call it a private key. Bitcoin operates in the blockchain, which is a public ledger where all transactions are made from Bitcoin wallets. In a Bitcoin transaction, the value is transferred between different wallets. A typical transaction is a purchase transaction. There is no upper limit to the amount of assets that can be stored in a Bitcoin wallet. There are several thousand cryptocurrencies, so naturally there are many different types of wallets, each with their own unique features that cater to different needs. Some wallets prioritize ease of use, while others aim to offer the best possible security for your Bitcoin. It's up to your personal preference which crypto wallet you choose. So how about where to exchange them? Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious newbie, crypto exchanges are an essential part of the crypto world. Basically, crypto exchanges are like the marketplace for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, kind of like stock market for crypto. They're super easy to use and great for beginners, and you don't even know all the technical details of your Bitcoin wallet to get started. There's the thing. Exchanges are primarily designed for trading, not for long-term storage for your precious crypto assets. Although some exchanges offer storage options for your coins, it's generally not recommended to leave all your coins there. That's because when you store your coins on an exchange, the exchange holds your private keys, which means they control your coins, not you. And as they say in crypto community, not your keys, not your coins. So it's always better to keep your coins in your own wallet, where you can have a complete control over your assets. Online wallets are a great alternative for those who don't want to install a separate app or buy expensive hardware wallets. Online wallets are similar to exchanges in the way that they allow you to send and receive Bitcoin, manage your assets and take trades, all with just the browser and the internet connection. Plus, many online wallets even offer the option to connect to an exchange account, so you can easily transfer coins between your wallet and the exchange. Let's continue with the hot stuff, software wallets. These are like your everyday wallet, but they live on your phone or computer. They're great for keeping a small amount of Bitcoin handy, like your coffee money. Just like your favorite cafe, they can also be target for hackers. So make sure you got a solid password and don't leave your digital wallet lying around. So how about the coolest kids on the block? Hardware wallets. These are like the Swiss bank account of Bitcoin storage. Your private keys are stored on an external device, kind of like a USB stick. When you want to access your funds, you plug it into your computer, do your thing, and then unplug it. It's like a digital game of hot potato, but without the heat. Because when it's unplugged, your hardware wallet is completely offline and safe from those pesky hackers. The only downside? They can be a bit pricey, like the fancy sports car on Bitcoin World. But if you got some serious Bitcoin to stash, hey, they're definitely worth considering. So whether you're a hot wallet kind of person or a cold wallet hodler, make sure to keep your Bitcoin safe and secure. And remember, it's not just about choosing the right wallet, it's also about being a responsible owner. Keep those passwords strong and secure and don't let anyone else get their hand on your digital bling. What about paper wallets? A bit odd, but it's super cool. There are paper wallets for Bitcoin. Yeah, you heard me right. We're doing old school with our cryptocurrency storage. So what is a paper wallet? Well, it's a physical document that contains both public and a private key for your Bitcoin. You can create one using a different online generator pages. The generator randomly creates an address for your paper wallet, which you can then print out on a paper, often in the form of a QR code. This makes it easy to scan and transfer your funds to an electronic wallet. It's important to use a reliable and secure printer when printing your paper wallet. The great thing about paper wallet is that it's both incredibly secure and risky at the same time. It allows you to keep your Bitcoin completely offline, making it impossible for hackers to access. But if you lose or destroy the paper, you lose access to your funds forever. And that's not good news. So make sure to keep your paper wallet in a safe and airtight place, like inside a plastic bag in a safe. Now, if you're looking for a desktop wallet instead, we've got some recommendations for you. First up, we have Electrum, one of the oldest Bitcoin wallets in the market. It only supports Bitcoin, so if you're into other cryptocurrencies as well, you might want to look elsewhere. Electrum is compatible with many different operating systems and is designed to keep your private keys offline, making it super safe to use. Our second recommendation is Bitcoin Core, the official desktop wallet for Bitcoin. It's a full node client, which means that if you need to download the entire Bitcoin blockchain to send and receive Bitcoin, the blockchain is quite massive, so make sure you have enough time and memory for it. The user interface is a bit complicated also, but Bitcoin Core makes up for what its features and functionalities are for. For mobile wallets, Mycelium and Edge are the way to go. Mycelium is the ultimate Bitcoin storage, sending and receiving tool with added security measures like integrated marketplace access and encrypted data. And if you're all about privacy, Edge has got you covered with full control of your Bitcoin and no need to share personal info. But if you want the ultimate security for your crypto, hardware wallets are the way to go. Ledger Nano X and Trezor Model T are the top dogs in this category. Ledger supports over 1800 cryptocurrencies and has a user-friendly interface, while Trezor supports over 1200 of them. They both have Bluetooth connectivity and are compatible with all major operating systems. It's important to choose a wallet that suits your need and provides the necessary security measures to protect your crypto assets. We encourage viewers to share their own experiences and recommendations in the comments below and to subscribe to our channel for support.